Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your Google Play Developer Console account. The Google Play Developer Console account is essential in order to publish your app on Google Play Store. So let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Google Developer Console. And the first link which will appear here will be from play.google.com/app/publish. So we are going to click on this link. And once you click on this link, you will be asked to sign in with your Google account. So I'm going to give my Google account credentials. And once you signed in with your Google credentials, you will be able to see this kind of window which says Google Play Console. And these are the 4 steps you need to take in order to create your Google Play Console account. First, we have already done, which is sign in with the Google account. Here we have already given our Google credentials and logged in with our Google credentials. And now I'm going to scroll down and we need to accept the developer's agreement. So you need to check this checkbox and then you will have to pay $25 as a Google Play account fee, and you need to have a credit card for that. So you can see before you continue, you need to have a credit card, and it says make sure you have your credit card handy to pay $25 registration fee in the next step. So make sure you have your credit card with you to pay $25 fee and then click continue to payment. And then this kind of window will pop up, and here you need to give your credit card credentials, whatever credit card credentials you have. So once you have given your credit card details, you just need to give your billing address, and I have already given my billing address and credit card details. So I'm going to click pay now. And if everything goes well, you will be able to see this message which says your payment is complete. You will receive a receipt by email. So I'm going to just click on continue registration. And once you click on continue registration, you just need to give your details about your name, email address, website and phone number. So now I have given all the information which is required here. Make sure that your phone number will start from your country code. So for example, if I'm living in Germany, my country code will start from +49 and then my mobile number. So once you have given all this information, you just need to check these check boxes for the email preferences. So when you check this checkbox, it asks, I would like to get new feature announcement and tips to help improve my apps. And the second checkbox is I would like to give feedback to help improve Google Play Developer Consoles. So if you want these emails, then you can check these checkboxes. These are optional. So if you like, just check them and then click on complete registration. And after you have clicked on complete registration button, you will be able to see this kind of window where you can publish your Android apps on Google Play. You can use Google Play game services, and you will be able to use all the other features which Google Play Console supports. So this is how you can create your Google Play Developer Console account. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.